I am Kausar from C3. Today, I am going to tell you a story about the last person to enter paradise. Ibn Masud reported, the Messenger of Allah ﷺ said, the last one to enter paradise will be a man who will walk once, fall once, and be burned by the fire. When he gets past it, he will turn to it and say, blessed be the one who has saved me from you. Allah has given me something that he has not given to first and the last. A tree will be raised for him. He will say, oh Lord, bring me closer to this tree that I might shelter in its shade and drink of its water. He will say, oh son of Adam, perhaps if I give you that, you will ask me for something else? Then he will say, no Lord. So he will be promised that he will not ask anything else. So he will be permitted to enjoy its shade and drink of its water. Then another tree will be raised for him that is more beautiful than the first one. He will say same thing and Allah also respond in the same way. So he will be permitted to enjoy its shade and drink of its water. Then another tree will be raised for him. But this time at the gate of paradise that is more beautiful than the first two. He will be brought near to it, so he will be shelter its shade and drink of its water. As he draws near, he will hear the voices of the people to paradise and will say, Ya Rab, admit me in it. Then he will say, oh son of Adam, what will make you stop asking? Will it be if I give you the world as much again? He will say, Ya Rab, are you making fun of me when you are the Rabbul Alamin? Ibn Masud smiled and said, why don't ask me why I am smiling? They said, why are you smiling? He said, this is how the Messenger of Allah ﷺ smiled. They said, why are you smiling, Ya Rasulullah? He said, because Allah smiled. When the man said, are you making fun of me when you are the Rabbul Alamin? Then he will say, I am not making fun of you, but I am able to do whatever I will. He was granted entrance to paradise in the end. I hope are you all inspired by this story. Jazakallahu khairan for your patience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Madrasatun Noor, light upon light.